Perché we need sticky rice to make a balls, no? Our rice is originally rice, okay? Originally because it's the first rice was came in Italy, in Europe from China. Sticky rice, no?
It's sticking to the bottom.
Oh yes, so don't worry, it's no bark. No black.
It's not black. Yeah, it's not black at all.
But if it's a black, don't worry, don't pay. We have pistachio, and if you like, I just prefer the traditional ragu. We need a cold, the white wine mixed with tomato, still tomato, and tomato paste.
Okay.
1 and 1 for 1 kilo. Okay? And you cook. When it's starch is ready to make our arancine. The arancine was born with a lamb because it came from Arabic Belgium and they love to eat lamb. And was born because they love to go around with the horses around our island. And when one eat, they cover with the rice that still piece of beef of lamb. Cover to save, only to save the beef. And take in a bag, just during 1 day, 2 days, and after they open and eat only the beef, not the rice. The rice, yes, they usually only to save, to cover the
It's a
beef.
preservative.
Yeah, it's like
After we fry it, this rice with a breadcrumbs and pastella. Now you will see our pastella. We cover the balls and cover with the breadcrumbs and fry it. Are you ready?
Ready.
yeah.
Are you ready?
We're ready.
I love those.
You need the water, huh? Okay.
It actually says that. I know.
Rice. It's a sticky rice. No, look. You can play a ball. It's also sticky, like a snowball.
Yeah.
And open.
Okay. Dish.
Just sticky. You have the water. Okay.
Can I make a little cup?
More cave, more sauce.
Oh, yeah. Uh-huh. Beautiful. Cheese.
Push down and close.
Okay.
If you need just a little bit more rice, just a little bit, to prepare our bowl. You have the balls. And now cover. At the first time we cover with the eggs. But it's no good, it's no second. Now we cover with a pastella, semolina flour water.
Can we do this, Rachel? That is beautiful.
Wow.
Arancine is ready.
Beautiful.
Okay, now it's your turn.
We can keep going if it's gonna go like that. Did you take a picture?
I
I already
stuff a piece of cheese in there. See that? Okay.
We see that.
Then I have my producer now. Thank you. Then I cover it up where I made a mess.
Little water to smooth it out.
Little water. Now I dip my hand in this fun stuff. It's bechamel and some. What is it?
No, that is not. It's semolina and water.
Semolina and water. Smear it all over. Got it. And then we put it in the breadcrumbs.
And then toss the breadcrumbs over it.
Like that.
Yeah.
Like so. See that, everybody? All right. And then you end up with that.
Ah,
There you go.
Perfect. Right, Chef?
Perfetto. And he says right chef. Right back at you.